Hey guys, what's up? This is my new GPU server. Yep, I finally got my hands on a 1U graphics card accelerator capable server. Isn't that just great? Yeah, so anyways, I was gonna show it off real quick in this video. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, it's really cool, so I thought I'd show it. There's not a lot of people showing these off, so I consider myself lucky to get my hands on one to take a look at. So this is a Dell PowerEdge C4140. It is a 1U quad GPU dual socket server. Now, this one was actually sent over to me. I got this for free, which is shocking, from one of my viewers, Zach. And some more information will be in the description. But yeah, he's a fellow server hosting person, so, and more in the future as I get more into the server, but we're just showing it off. It's essentially a Dell PowerEdge R640 back here. You know, you've got the 3 half-height PCI Express slots, all full 16X. You've got your 2 CPU sockets, LGA 3647, currently loaded with dual 10-core 4114s. And then you have your 24 DIMM slots. But that's about where the similarities end, because these PCI Express cables all go up to the front. This is the model with the full like 16X PCI Express slots instead of the SXM2 board, because this came in 2 variants, one with again 4 PCIe slots and then one with 4 SX fucking hell. Anyways, the cards that are supported in the server, the P100s and the V100s, all Teslas, came in SXM and PCIe flavors. Now you're probably wondering, hey, why is there just a CPU in your GPU slots? Where are your GPUs? Well, thankfully, Zach also sent over 4 Tesla P100s, which are on my shelf of goodies here. And yeah. So yeah, these are Tesla P100s. They are basically GTX 1080s, but with 16 gigs of HBM2 high bandwidth memory on board instead of GDDR5. So they're super cool, and with 4 of them in system, we'd have a total of 64 gigs of HBM2 memory available, which is super cool. They do have NVLink connectors on the side. You can see the double connectors for sharing memory. Unfortunately, this system, in its non-SXM configuration, can't take advantage of that. Now, the way these slot in is a little bit weird, because these are like, they're not like screwed in or anything, because there's really not like enough space. But as you see, they do kind of sit in there like so. You've got your EPS connectors on the back, and then your 16X slots. I'm not going to put them in because I don't want to risk damaging this very delicate chassis. I mean, as you can see, we got a little bit of dent damage there during shipping, which is to be expected, shipping something this massive and, quite frankly, very flimsy. They didn't have a lot of room to actually have a case here. But yeah, this is just a really cool server. It does have a, you can see that, 2400 watt power supply. So this one only came with a single one, but hey, 2400 watts, and if we had 2, it'd be redundant, so, you know, that is a lot of power. But if you're running 4 Tesla V100s, you're gonna need a lot of fucking power. I think the SXM cards can draw over 300 watts each, so you can kind of see where that's coming from. Anyways, yeah, this thing supports up to the dual 28 core CPUs, and then 4 Tesla V100s with 32 gigs of VRAM each. And yeah, I thought it was really cool. I don't know exactly what I'm doing with it yet. It did come with the rail, so I'm going to throw it up in my home lab rack for now. But I can't just turn it on whenever, because this thing is loud. It is extremely loud, which means where I live, I can't just turn it on wherever I want. So I got to wait till daytime. But anyways, if you have any ideas, want to see me do anything with the server, I will post another video loading this up with GPUs and RAM. And I do want to try to get some different GPUs in here. It would be easy if I only have 1 or 2, but to get all 4 crammed in might be a fun challenge. Maybe we can get some V340s, AMD cards put in there. We can maybe stretch this up to 8 or even up to 16 GPUs if we had 4 M10s or 4 A16s lined up in there. That could be interesting. Anyways, hope you enjoyed just taking a little overview of this server. And let me know what you think I should do with it, besides game on it, which I will be doing. That's a given. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed. I look forward to your feedback. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.